I want to talk to you about one of the most common struggles people face, and that's losing weight and keeping it off.
There's more to life than this. Just go for it.
If you ever tried to shed a few pounds but felt super frustrated by slow progress, setbacks, or life's just getting in the way, this message is for you. And as we step into 2025, let me remind you why it's so important to keep going and not give up on your weight loss goals. But first, if it's your first time on my channel, my name is Daryl, and I'm a men's physique athlete and coach. I've gone from this to this in just a matter of months. So be sure to follow along for my fitness tips. So I want to share with you 5 reasons why 2025 is the perfect year to start your weight loss journey. Reason number 1, small changes add up. Losing weight isn't about just quick fixes or overnight transformations. It's about making small, sustainable changes in your lifestyle that take time and over time create big results. In 2025, we have access to so many tools that can help us, from apps to wearable devices that monitor our progress. Even if you're just losing half a pound a week, that's 26 pounds in a year. Small steps forward is still progress, guys. And that leads us to my free Gymstarter checklist. If you're a beginner just trying to kickstart your journey to weight loss in 2025, you're in luck, because I've created a free ebook checklist that teaches you the basic essentials on what to bring to the gym, basic nutrition, and basic workouts. So be sure to click the link in the description below to download it for free. Reason number 2, your health is your wealth. Weight loss isn't about just looking good. It's about feeling good and living a healthier, longer life. Carrying extra weight can increase your risk for chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even joint problems. By continuing to prioritize your health, you're investing in your future where you can do things you love without any physical limitations. And trust me, I'm in my 30s now, and I think to myself, it's not only about looking good, but importantly, it's about feeling good, especially at this age. I want to feel amazing because sometimes I get out of bed and my body just aches from just sleeping, like literally just sleeping. And the older I get, I realize I can't eat, I can't live the same way that I used to when I was in my teens or my 20s. Just have to remember that your body changes over time, and you just got to adapt with the changes as you get older. Reason number 3, the power of resilience. Every journey has its ups and downs. Maybe you had a bad week, you indulged a bit on too much McDonald's or some donuts, which is what I love, or you skipped out on a few workouts. Setbacks are part of the process, and they don't define your journey. What matters is how you respond. Each time you fall, get back up again. Keep trying, keep trying. You're building that resilience and mental strength. Those are the qualities that extend far beyond weight loss. I literally just finished a 24-week men's physique prep where I had to get down to 3% body fat in just a matter of time. It was super tough. I had so many setbacks along the way. I wanted to have so many cheat meals. I wanted to have my McDonald's, my In-N-Out, my French fries, and I just had to focus on the why. Why am I doing this competition? And know that I'll eventually achieve my goal when it came to my competition. And what do you know? I got 2nd place in my competition, and I made it happen. So no matter how hard it gets, delayed gratification is totally worth it. Reason number 4, the science of behavior change. Experts agree that sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes a lot of time to change those habits, rewire your brain, and build healthier relationships with food and exercise. So by sticking with it in 2025, you're giving yourself the time needed to make these changes stick. You gotta be patient with yourself. Progress is happening even when it's not immediately visible. My tip here is to take weekly photos. The scale is a good tracking tool, but sometimes it can mess with your mind. For me, I psych myself out when I'm too scale focused, so I go based off of photos and how I feel in my clothes. Reason number 5, inspiration for others. Your journey isn't just about you. When you persevere, you inspire others around you to do the same. Whether it's your friends, your family, or your colleagues, your determination could be the spark that motivates someone to improve their health too. So imagine the crazy ripple effect that you could create by choosing not to give up. So keep at it. You never know whose life you could be changing without even knowing it. And those are my 5 reasons. All right, so let's leave the all or nothing weight loss mindset behind in 2025. Progress isn't always perfect, and that's okay. What really matters is that you keep going, you keep learning, you keep taking steps forward. You deserve to feel good and live your best life. So don't give up. Future you will be so glad that you didn't.